Long time indeed. I've been busy. Mbadde neekwese kubanga mwemanyi mutawaanya ebibuuzo byammwe ebitaggwa. But I've been so busy though. I've been focusing on business, but also working on. I've just released my latest album, the Wendy album. Has 14 songs. Go to YouTube, subscribing, Angela Katatumba, and enjoy the music. Album, 14 songs, the Wendy album. Collabos are there, about 4 or 5, with different artists. When is the right time to release an album? Then Kola change at my time. What time do you think I should have released an album? Anyway, I've released it now. But they can find it on YouTube, Angela Katatumba. Muwulirize ate subscribing it. The same questions, you guys.
Okay, talk about the producers.
The producers, there's obviously Daddy Andre with Wendy. Then there is Big Nash. There's Cash Kid from Nairobi, Kenya, and a number of others. Stain, and others.
Why did you decide to call it Wendy?
Because obviously Wendy is the biggest song on the album. Yeah, and Wendy's doing so well. It's growing, and it's the biggest song on the album. That's why.
Should we say that it's a big song just because Daddy Andre wants to?
Yeah. Yes. I mean, why not? Yeah.
Just because Daddy Andre.
I don't know what you want me to tell you. Yes.
Should we say it's the first song because Daddy Andre is the producer of it?
Yeah, I mean, it's just the biggest song on the album, and I think Bantu Banji, they were so like into the whole relationship, so of course it's the song with the most attention. So making it the biggest song, obviously. That's my prayer. I pray I'm too early actually, because there are other great songs there that people may decide. But Wendy's just because I had released it earlier, so that's why it has a head start. But you're right, other songs may be bigger. Guy, Kakan. What is happening? No. The album is the album, and it's just been released. The biggest song so far on the album is Wendy because it was released earlier. And that's why the album is called the Wendy album, because of all the attention it got, because of the relationship, blah, blah, blah. But I pray that other songs will be bigger. I pray the whole album becomes big. You know what I'm saying? I'm just sticking to the facts right now. Wendy is.
So many people go ahead to do listeners party.
I don't follow trends. If you notice, I don't do trends. I do what I want, when I want, in the time I want. Like for now, for the last full year, actually, my focus has mainly been business. I've been so focused on the business side. So when I have time for music, that's the time I release albums or do what I can at the time. I don't follow trends. They follow me.
You say you don't follow trends, but you just confess to the media that Wendy was given a hype because of the relationship fight.
So meaning what? No, you're the one contradicting yourself. There's nothing I've contradicted there. Wendy was released, when the album is out, mugende mu subscribing and enjoy it and love it. The album is dope, 14 songs. Of course, I thank God, and I thank my father, His Excellency Professor Boni Katatumba, and my mom Gertrude Katatumba. I mean, they've made it for me and my brothers, and they've given us such amazing lives and opportunities. So I just give them the honor and the glory after God. So that's why. That's when you see Katatumba, I want people to remember my papa, Boni Katatumba. So that's That's the reason I even labeled the car Katatumba, so they can remember what a great man he was. And I'm trying to, elevate his legacy.
Once we saw a guy coming in and bringing a car, bringing a ride. So we thought maybe there was another one who just came in with another ride.
No. Of course, those men were offering me cars for marriage. They're offering me, first of all, old cars. They're offering me old cars, very old cars, on condition I marry them. No. That's why I tell women to be independent, so that you don't have to settle for, things like those. So no, those ones, I rejected their marriage proposals with their cars, because I know that I can work hard, I'm independent, and I can get my own even better ones than they were offering. So this is me alone.
Oyagala omukolo gw'enjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo? Kankwanjulire Backing Montage Photo Studio. Ffe bakafuluma okukuba ebifaananyi n'okukola video. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo. Ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusangibwa Nankulabe ku Bitaala, ku Prime Tower, Level 3, Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo, tukubire ku nnamba zino: 0702 104 125 oba 0755 311 731 oba 0777 223 405. King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.